What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. This is I'm Just Tech, the channel that teaches you about all things beneficial for your YouTube and Twitch channels. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download your VODs from Twitch. If you want to download your VOD just to keep as a keepsake, if you want to download your VOD to upload it to YouTube, this video is for you. So give this video a thumbs up for the tutorial, and let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so you want to go to your internet browser and you want to go to Twitch. I can spell. You want to go to Twitch and you want to make sure that you log in with your account. And then you're going to come up here to the top right hand corner and click on your profile picture. And then you're going to go down and click where it says Video Producer. Video Producer is where all your videos are stored. So here's a list of my VODs, as you can see. So let's just say I wanted to download this VOD that I did a couple of days ago. All I have to do is come over here and click on these three dots, and it'll give you a bunch of different options. So you want to come here to where it says download. Once you hit download, it should start downloading, and it may take it a minute to download. So once it's downloaded, you want to go to the folder to where your downloads are going to go. For me personally, mine goes to a different hard drive, and I believe this is the VOD right here. This game has me in a chokehold right now, so if you want to see my journey on this game, feel free to follow me on Twitch. But yeah, that's how you download your Twitch VODs. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. If it did, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have a specific tutorial you would like to see on this channel, leave it down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to check that out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Later, y'all.